My name is Sheree Watson, and I'm a scientist and an educator. I got interested in science in high school when I saw my first single-celled life, a paramecium, under a microscope. We fed food to these cells, and I watched them all class long take up the food inside their bodies. I was amazed I had an effect on this single-celled life, but in turn it had a much larger effect on me. Today I study single-cell organisms that live in water and convert sun energy into food. They are called phytoplankton, which means plant wanderer. Phytoplankton are very important to all Earth's systems. They produce half the oxygen present in our atmosphere and make up the base of all aquatic food webs. Without them, not much else would live in water. I study a process called eutrophication in the Columbia River estuary in Oregon. It's a natural aging or changing process of a coastal or estuary systems. In some cases, humans can have an effect on this process. For example, when we add fertilizers to our gardens or lawn, it washes into the estuary and can change the community, such as large vegetation that grows up in waters, replacing phytoplankton. In some cases, one type of phytoplankton can take over. When they grow in large numbers, it's called a bloom. If they overwhelm a system or produce toxins, it's called a nuisance or a harmful algal bloom. Finally, as a science educator, I think it's important our science community is as diverse as the phytoplankton community. We are going to need different and creative ways of thinking to solve our world's challenges. And besides, science is fun.
And do the Harlem Shake.